1, 2, 3, and start. So for today's video, it is going to be the things that you should prepare for the day of getting the braces, or kung sa Tagalog pa is yung mga bagay na dapat mong i-prepare. Ano ba yung Tagalog ng prepare? Mga bagay na dapat mong ihanda sa araw kung saan kakabitan ka na ng braces, okay? So, ayun, here I'm just gonna share to you what are the things that I prepared for way back that time nung kakabitan na ako ng braces. So, okay, without further ado, let's get started. So, ayan, first things first, guys. Pasensya na sa boses ko if ganito kasi sinisipon ako. Ewan ko ba kung bakit. Nagba-vitamin C naman ako, diba? Alam nyo yan. And, ayun na, feeling ko sobrang lamig kasi dahil sa aircon, ganon. Pasensya na sa boses ko. Just bear with me. So, the first things first, when you're, going to your dentista for the appointment because kakabitan ka na ng braces, is you should bring a lip balm. Yes, guys. Yes, I know you always see this lip balm on my videos because this is the only lip balm that I got. Okay? Except sa petroleum jelly. Alam niyo ba, pwede din yung maging lip balm kung wala kayong lip balm. So, yeah, ayun. You should bring a lip balm because ilang minutes din yan naka-open wide yung mouth nyo. Yo. Ilang minutes, hulog siya. Ilang minutes din naka-open wide yung mouth nyo. So, parang nakaka-dry yun ng lips, diba? And ako kasi, nagsusugat kasi yun dito. Lalo kapag ewan ko, pag nadadry dito yung banda ng lips ko, nasusugatan talaga siya. So, ayun, lip balm helps to moisturize your lips, guys. Labaw. Bisaya. Lalo na kapag, dry din yung lips nyo. Kung dry na talaga yung lips nyo, tapos magpapabraces kayo, and then ilang minutes din yung naka-open yung mouth nyo. So, definitely, you should bring a lip balm with you, guys, before mag-start yung procedures. You should, apply it like that. You can just use your fingers to get some of the product and then just apply it on your lips like that. Like that. Kaya lang siya kadali. So, yes, ang lip balm para hindi ma-dry yung lips nyo and hindi masugatan. Ganun. So, the next thing that we should prepare for, the day you'll get the braces is, of course, you should get this one. It's types of, this kind of, small brushes. And this is, Interdental brushes. So, ayun. There are only 3 brushes left. Diba? English. This one is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 brushes. And ayun, you can buy this at Watson. You can buy this at Watson. Actually, I bought this at Watson. Tintin ka lang doon. Madaming ganito. Like, you should, pick the size of your, yung kasya sa ngipin nyo kasi may mga ganito na malalaki. So, ayun, tsempo nyo na lang na magkakasya siya sa ngipin nyo na ma-brush talaga yung tawag nyo yung mga nasa-stock na food sa ngipin nyo. Kasi, the struggle of having a braces is like every time kakain ka, sis, ang daming nasa-stock na food sa ngipin mo and it's like so hassle kasi yung feeling na nagmamadali ka talaga na kailangan mo pa tanggalin yung mga nakastock sa ngipin nyo, or what they call ki sa Bisaya, ki this is the purpose of it. This brush, ito yung purpose niya. As you can see, it is really small right there, and you can bend this like that, like this. Yep, you can bend it. So, ayun, parang ganyan lang siya, i-stuck lang siya sa teeth nyo if may mga food na na-stock, ganun. Tapos, pwede na din ito gamitan ng water lang. Ayun, like, for example, dito kayo sa labas, you should always bring one of these things kasi this thing is very helpful sa mga may braces na tao like me. So, how I use this one is, for example, labas ako, I always bring this one in my bag kasi napaka-handy din naman niya. So, ayun, after ko kumain is I quickly bilisan, ganon. Pupunta agad ako sa CR and then gagargle ng water and then I'll just, bend this like this and I'll just bend it like this and I'll just, put this thing inside sa bakal ng brace and I'll just like that hanggang sa matanggal yung food na stuck sa teeth ko. And I'll just gargle it with water. You can use toothpaste if you want to, if gusto nyo yung lagyan ng toothpaste. Pero kung nagmamadali kayo, always like me, always in a rush, water is fine. So, yeah, that's the purpose of this interdental brushes. The next thing that you should prepare before, getting the braces is, you should, of course, guys, toothbrush. Wait lang, mamaya na yung toothpaste. Excited. Toothbrush na tayo. Sinisipan talaga ako, sorry. Is this toothbrush, guys? You can use the electric toothbrush na yung maliliit na toothbrush or whatever. Ganun, nakadepende kung saan kayo hiyang. Ay, pangat ng boses ko. Ayun, depende kung saan kayo hiyang, guys. You can use whatever. So, for me, mas okay na sa akin ito kasi mas madali, walang hassle, hindi na kailangan ng battery, gano'n, like, on the go, like, ready na siya ilagay sa bag, and then you're ready to go, wherever you go, gano'n. So, yeah, brushes, you don't need the fancy brushes kasi hindi naman din yung necessary. I thought nung before I was, talaga ng braces, maybe it needs a electric brush, ganun. It needs a something different brush to brush this kind of thing. But no, it is not. Okay, you just need a ordinary brush, guys, to, brushen up. Basta meron lang kayong what do you call that? Interdental brushes and those two brushes will definitely help you so much. How I use this brush is, pag nagtututbrush ka ng may braces ka is para ka lang nagtututbrush nang wala kang braces, yet it takes a lot of efforts. Kasi you'll brush it you'll brush it like this, circular motion, pa straight, and then you'll brush it on the upper side like that para matanggal yung nakastock na teeth, and then sa baba ulit, sa baba ng bakal, and then of course sa loob, ganun, sa loob, and then ganun din sa excuse me, and then ayun, ganun din sa baba, sa top ng bakal is you'll brush it. Sa gitna, ayan, dito, and then dito sa baba, you should brush it properly, guys. Huwag nyo hayaan na, make sure that wala kayong natirang mga nakastock na food sa teeth nyo kasi that will cause bad breath and that will cause tooth decay, okay? So, ayun, you should brush it properly talaga. And, ano pa ba? Ang partner ng toothbrush is toothpaste. So here, this is the toothpaste that I use. It is a non-whitening toothpaste kasi I prefer it that way. Kasi pag nagtutoothbrush kasi ng pag nagtutoothbrush ka kasi ng mga whitening stuff sa teeth nyo is, although na-lighten up yung teeth nyo, yet ang disadvantage lang niya is pag natanggal na yung brackets is parang meron na siyang box kapag pagtanggal. So parang ang awkward naman tingnan, diba? Like natanggal na yung brace niya and then pag smile niyo ganun may mga box, diba? So that is why I prefer to use a non-whitening toothpaste. So ayun, para lang talaga hindi mag-yellow yung teeth nyo is you should brush like at least twice a day, 3 times a day, ganun, after after you eat, ganun naman talaga tayo, di ba, mga braces na mga tips dyan. After eating talaga, we usually brush our teeth. So, yeah, that is the purpose why I use a non-whitening toothpaste to, para mapantay lang yung colors ng teeth ko after titatanggalin. Kasi, hindi naman ito pang forever, sis. Katulad na din yung relasyon nyo, hindi pang forever. So, yeah, ayun, dami ko pang sinasabi. The next thing that you should prepare before, getting that braces is this one. Okay, you're wondering what is this, right? So, here, this is ano nga tawag nito? Nakalimutan ko. Basta, ipapop ko na lang sa baba. Ano yung tawag nito? Ipapop ko na lang dito. There. So, yun, ito, basta yung purpose nito is, ayun, muntik na maubos, diba? Ayan. Kasi, I always use this one kasi it helps me, lalo na pag, pag may mga sumasabit na mga, like, mga tumutusok na mga bakal sa bibig ko. Ayun, this one helps a lot, like, natatakpan niya yung bakal na tumutusok sa'yo. And, it is a big help, guys. Like, that is one of the things that, like, mga naka-brace suffers, Ang hirap mag-construct ng sentence kapag sinisip ko. Okay. That, yung mga tumutusok na mga bakal is, isa yun sa mga problema natin na mga naka-braces, diba? You can relate to it. Yung struggle na nga na masakit na yung ngipin mo kasi ina-adjust, meron pa mga tumutusok, sis. Ayun, so this thing, nakalimutan ko na tawag nito stress. Ayun. Basta ipapop ko na lang. So, ayun nga, this one helps a lot sa mga tumutusok na mga bakal sa bibig natin. Whatever, kung sino yung may brace. Basta ganun. So, this is how it works, okay? You'll just get a small amount of this one. Like that. Kasi tinitipid ko kasi konti na lang, bibili pa ako ng bago, guys, kasi gamit na gamit ko to. Kasi every time kasi palagi kasing may tumutusok sa lips ko, and ayun, napakasakit, and it's really not comfortable, it's really annoying. So here you'll get konti para makita nyo. So here, kumuha lang ako ng konting amount and then binibilog ko lang ito like that. Make sure your hands are clean, guys. Okay? So, binibilog ko lang siya ng ganyan and ilalagay nyo kung saan banda yung part na masakit. Like, kung saan banda yung part na may tumutusok. Binalik ko kasi sayang. Gamitin ko pa to bukas, mamaya, or I don't know. Diba? So, yun. Ano pa ba next? By the way, yung rubbers. Wala na akong rubbers kasi naubos and hindi ako nakapunta sa dentist ko. Kasi, ayun. Basta. So, the rubbers is, I'll just pop it right here. The picture is right there. So, that is the rubbers, guys. It looks like a lumbans and nilalagay yun sa bakal dito. Depende kung saan inassign ng dentist nyo na ilagay yon, kasi hindi naman pwede na ikaw lang yung, dito ko lang ilagay kasi cool, hindi. Kasi may purpose yun. Every piece of these things right here on your mouth, yun, may purpose yun. Kaya, ganun. So, yun, guys. Hindi kayo yung nagde-decide kung saan yung dapat ilagay yung rubbers kasi baka mamali yung adjust ng ngipin nyo. Instead na normal na ganyan is baka pag mali yung nilagyan nyo ng rubbers is maging ganyan, yung ngipin nyo maging ganun, diba? Ayun yun, diba? So, you should follow kung ano yung sinabi ng dentist nyo, kung saan nyo lang ilalagay yung rubbers right there. Pasensya na, guys, kung wala ako rubbers na mapapakita, pero I hope this picture can help you, to give some ideas about the rubbers that I'm talking about. Well, you can see it naman on my vlog, on my first vlog about usapang braces. I'll just tag it right here, and you can see it. Sa intro pala, nakikita nyo na yung rubbers doon. So, yun yung ibig kong sabihin. Yun yung ibig kong sabihin. Okay. So, ayun. Wait lang. Bang! Ayan, may natusan ako na kumuha ng mouthwash kasi naiwan ko. So, the last but not least, kompleto naman siguro yung sinabi ko, isa lang yung kulang. Of course, guys, last but not the least is madami. The last but not the least is a mouthwash. Ayan. This is Colgate Plax. Colgate Plax. Social. Colgate Plax Fresh Mint Splash. Okay. So this is a no alcohol, no warning taste, 10 times longer cooling than brushing alone. So the purpose of this thing is, after you brush your teeth using this one, and then you check it, what do you call that? And then you use this one again to make sure na wala talagang naiwan ng mga food sa ngipin nyo. To make sure that talagang na totally malinis talaga yung teeth nyo, is of course, you must use a mouthwash. At, you can use a mouthwash. Mouthwash can, help you to give you fresh breath. Ayun, hindi kayo bad breath. Ayun, di ba, pag nag-gargle kayo ng mouthwash is parang, feel nyo talaga, di ba, parang natatanggal yung mga na-stock na food sa ngipin niya. So, ayun guys, mouthwash. Kahit hindi kayo naka-braces, oh my god, mag-mouthwash kayo, sis. Lalo na kapag, oh my god, be aware of your breath, like how you smell, like, huwag kayo puro paganda. Alagaan nyo din yung smell ng breath nyo. Like, ang ganda nyo nga sa physical, pero ang baon naman ng hininga nyo, di ba? Nakaka-turn off din yung wala rin, di ba? Okay na yung haggard, basta mabango. Ganun, di ba? So, yeah, dami ko pang sinasabi. So, ayun, mouthwash, guys, is the thing that you must ready, kahit na wala kayong braces appointment, or kahit na hindi kayo naka-brace, kailangan nyo mag-mouthwash, at kailangan nyo din mag-toothbrush. So, yun. So, you should prepare mouthwash before the day of your braces appointment, the day that you are getting it. So, I guess that's all for today. That's all for pasensya na guys, kasi before kasi nag-start ako mag-vlog pa trip kasi hindi ko mahanap yung mga gamit na hinahanap ko. Like, hindi ko mahanap yung lipstick na dapat ginamit ko ngayon. I'll just, water break. Stay hydrated. Water break. So, ayun. Sinisipan talaga ako. Pasensya na sa boses ko. And, wala naman siguro ako sasabihin. Ano talaga yung toothbrush, toothpaste, lip balm, ito, I don't know, basta nakalimutan ko anong tawag nito. Ano ba yun? Nabubobo na ako. And mouthwash, and pa yung rubbers, na parang lumban. So, ayun. Excuse me. So, I guess that is it for today. That is it for this video. That's it. So, ayun guys, I hope this video helps you to, prepare yourself, prepare your things before getting that braces. Good luck sa braces journey nyo. And ayun, tiis-tiis lang, diba? Alam ko masakit yan, pero at the end of the day, it is, worth it. Smile. Diba? So, ayun, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, guys. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button below. And, sinispon talaga ako. And, of course, hit the bell notification para updated ka sa mga bago kong videos. And, ayun, comment kayo kung anong gusto niyo ipagawa sa akin. Wag lang yung malala. Basta kung anong gusto nyo, ganun. Comment lang, guys. Whatever you wanna say about me, I'll take it. Ano pa ba? So, that's it for today, guys. See you on my next video. Bye!